This is an unboxing of Shaun Skateboarding on Xbox 360. I bought this from Best Buy, and it's gonna come with exclusive, I don't know if you can see it, like clown characters. So, let me open this up. Okay. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but you know. There it is. There's a game made by Ubisoft. Here is the manual. Really short, 2 pages. It's just like the Assassin's Creed one. And this is the code for the extra characters. Those are the extra characters, clown freaks, I guess. Circus freaks characters. So yeah, I'm hoping this game is really good. I don't know if it was Shaun White's really good skateboarder, and I like skateboarding games like Skate, Tony Hawk, and all that. Except for that Tony Hawk Ride, whatever. That's like the worst game ever made. Well, I might do a gameplay video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.